Good morning. The boys are still asleep in the tent there, but I'm up. It's a beautiful dawn out here on the ranch. And, oh, what's this here? Got ourselves a little bit of bacon cooking on the fire. If that doesn't wake them up, I don't know what will. How did you sleep last night? Did you sleep well?
Close to a fire. Yeah, go too close to a fire.
You're far enough away. Trying to keep you guys warm. It's cold out here. We're here. It's the morning, and we've got our campfire going over here. And we figured this was going to be the perfect time to test out the cool sandwich cutter kit. So we're excited to give it a try. We're going to cook a little toast here on the campfire, and hopefully it all works out for us. What do you got in there?
Do these beautiful. Making little tiny sandwiches. Oh, thanks.
Are those little tiny sandwich cutters?
You don't eat.
Oh.
I don't know what you do.
What you got?
I think you like cut them out of a sandwich. I cut them out of a blend, and then you put them inside of a sandwich.
Okay, cool. Kind of a cool puzzle piece.
And look.
What do you got?
I got two puzzle pieces.
Looks like a doggy and a couple of puzzle pieces.
I got two pieces. This is a bear. I don't make a bear. Yeah, this if we're putting on top of your sandwich.
Yep.
The adults put them on top.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Put them on top of the hamburgers.
Uh-huh. Guys, what do we need to make toast?
So we need bread.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Another fire.
Fire. Check.
And what else?
Butter. Do we need butter?
Yeah.
And also maybe some cinnamon sugar?
Oh, cinnamon.
Oh yeah, baby.
And sugar.
All right, well, let's give it a shot. Let me get that stuff.
Butter? I don't do butter. I need that butter knife.
And then whoever had it didn't really work that well. All right, good.
Okay, don't ready? Go on there. Hey, wait. Are you done?
Nothing like a little campfire cooking. Beautiful morning here on the ranch. Excited to start day 2. We've got a big weekend plan. We camp here again tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to Legoland. So it's going to be quite the adventure. So the boys have disobeyed rule 2 of camping, which do not leave the campsite, but it's for a worthy cause. We got horses. Show me the horses.
Why are you freaking out, someone?
Let's go see. Now, what does that sign say?
No.
The sign said, yeah, it says they're gonna bite you, so be careful. Don't get too close to the thing. Here he comes.
Here he comes.
Look, that catch is real brave. Butter on these.
Burning.
Okay, so that's probably enough. Sprinkle a little cinnamon sugar around there.
This is gonna be mine, and these two might be mine, right?
Nice. Let me see you guys do
I'm
it.
putting 2 pinches on it, one.
Okay.
And I'm finding 5.
Make sure you do it up high, crew, just like you're doing salt, so you get nice even coverage. Nice. Good job. Yeah, get that cinnamon.
5. Make sure you get out a napkin.
Okay. Crew. So let's see. Yeah, you got to press down hard, real hard, all the way down to the ground. Push, 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 push. Push. Okay, now take it out.
It's sticky.
It's a little sticky. Here, we'll just pop them out.
I popped it out.
There you go. What do you have there? Is that a butterfly?
Uh-huh.
Very cool. Here, let me see how Catch is doing. Here, I'm going to help you a little with that.
I don't need any pieces. No.
And what do you have there? Ooh, yours is puzzle pieces? That's cool.
Mine too.
What are you working on? Another butterfly?
Uh-huh.
All right. Yeah, Catch is going to try a different one. So what's your favorite cutter so far? You like the butterflies, the puzzle pieces?
I like both puzzle pieces.
How's that cinnamon sugar toast?
Good.
Pretty awesome. So there you go. We got our nice wholesome breakfast ready. A little bacon and toast by the fire. Cinnamon sugar never hurt anybody. Hey, what the heck are you guys doing? Eating marshmallows here in my trunk. Look at this cool tree thing.
Can you help us?
No, you got to be able to try to do it on your own. Otherwise, it's probably too big a tree for you to go up. You can do it. Keep trying. Me, Catch, and crew are over here at the docks. There's a little river that leads its way into the swamp. You can take an alligator boat ride here, which is pretty fun. We've done that before. But today, we're going to do a swamp buggy tour.
I see some cows.
We're getting ready to go on our swamp buggy tour. Catch us up front. There he is. Look, we got an alligator over there. Oh no, here we go. Yeah. We're doing it. Oh, we're leaving the road. What is this thing? Cool.
How can I get on?
Looks awesome.
I still want to pet those.
Looking awesome.
I'm
What?
running over you.
Oh, did you get stuck?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Alright. Man. Looks like the boys are quite popular here with the goats. Now they've been feeding them, but they're not exactly equipped with the necessary courage. Catch! Catch!
You have any more? Hey, you guys. You guys.
They're everywhere. Catch! Catch!
Okay.
Catch! Here comes Crew. You're doing great, buddy. There's Cruzy. All right, we're here on our second night. And whoa, what do you guys have to say about this fire? They got a little nuts with that? We're gonna try to cook some hot dogs on this.
Yeah, we used to share back so from.
Because it was too hot? You had to move it back, it was a little too hot? It's good that it'll keep
so
the
hot.
hopefully it'll keep the bugs away.
Dad, can I get one of these?
Does life get any better than this? The answer? No, it does not. Do you want some pirate booty since you ate your hot dog already? Wow. Okay, there's some pirate booty right there. You can have it.
So fast.
Okay. Man. Because nothing's better than a hot dog cooked on a roaring fire.
I want to cook some marshmallows.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's get these marshmallows going. What do you think over there, Crew? Doing good? Catty Wop? Catch? Life is good?
Yeah, I'm making a sauce and yesterday.
I'm roasting the marshmallows, you're making the s'mores. And Crew, what are you doing?
Last night eating.
You're eating the s'mores. Awesome. We did it. Kids are in the tent behind me in bed. They're watching a movie, but they're at least in their sleeping bags. I'm out here. Got my daddy drink. Got my fire in front of me out here on the little porch area. Life is good.